going through with the algorithm and flowchart. In today, we are learn about pseudocode and decision table. Pseudocode means imitation. Pseudocode means imitation. Here, imitation means copy of program logic. In we don't worrying about the syntax. So it is easily convert into programming language. There are six basic computer operations. These are receive information, provide arithmetic operations, assign variables or memory location, comparison between two variables, and looping. That is repeat of a group of actions. In these operations, we perform output through output display, print, write. These are the commands through which we provide output. And they perform arithmetic operation through addition, multiplication, parentheses, and the order of operation applies to pseudocode. And the other are assign a value or a memory allocation. Mm, This operation performed with the initialize or set keywords. We use symbols equal to or arrow. That is the example of pseudocode in which we use the verbs initialize and equal to. And the other is comparison between two variables in which we will select one action according to the condition if and false condition. That is the example of selection structure. Repetition means we want to perform multiple same actions in a sequence. We use while and while close until. That is the example of while, do while. They are the basic rules of pseudocode, like we write only one statement per line, capital initial keyword, show hierarchy, and with multi-line structure, and keep statement language independent so that every instruction perform their particular task. Rules of variable names we already learned begin with lowercase letter, contain no spaces, additional words begin with capital, unique names, and consistent use of names. In this form of documentation, we follow logic structure. These are the sequence, selection, iteration. In sequence, we perform statements in sequence manner, one after another. Selection means it is depend on condition. If a condition is true, we perform the yes action. Otherwise, else no action. Looping structure. In looping structure, use while and while repeat until. There are few advantages and disadvantages of pseudocode. Easily modifiable, easily word processor, and the disadvantages is it is not a visual representation like a flowchart and has no standard, varies from company to company. And the other one is decision table. It provide a logic in a tabular form. In table we have four parts and it provide compact way to model complicated logic. Here compact means small and clear logic provide. It provides small and clear logic so that independent condition with several actions which we want to perform. It is beneficial in complex programs. It is the structure of decision table. Here four parts, that is conditions, actions. Condition are represented here, which is used to determine a particular action. In the corresponding column, we provide actions. Possible actions are listed here. And the other column, we have condition entry and action entry. In condition entry, we know inputs, and the action entry provide outputs according to their inputs. It is the example of decision table in which we provide condition and their corresponding actions which we want to perform. That is condition stub and action stub. And that's all about decision table and